So here's the two kind of tricky problems. I'll probably still just do one problem at a time per video, but we're going to identify combination permutations. So we got to decide, looking at this, does order matter, right? Here, order, no order. Okay, so as we look at college student is choosing 3 classes. So 3 classes to take during first, second, and third semester from 5 elective classes. So they're choosing from the 5, so N would be 5. They're choosing 3 of those, okay? So this first, second, third semester doesn't really matter. Okay, so we want to know how many possible ways can they have the schedule, a student schedule 3 classes, okay? So does order matter? So that's the question here. Does order matter? Is it a different schedule? So how many different ways can the student schedule the 3 classes? So if you think about class schedules, okay, we'll look at it this way, okay? If we schedule, you have 7 classes, right? If you have math 7th hour and then all of a sudden second semester you got your math, you know, 3rd hour, then do you have a different schedule? You do have a different schedule, right? So order matters here. So we're going to do 5p3 because order matters. 5 minus 3. So 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial will be 5 down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And divided by 2 factorial is just 2 times 1. So these would cancel. So it's just 5 times 4, which is 20. 20 times 3, so 60. So we have 60 different ways we can have different schedules, those 3 classes. Okay, so 60 different ways. Okay, looking at this question, you have 12 people on a jury. Doesn't matter if you're first, and we're choosing from 35. So this actually happens. They start with 35, and sometimes this number of 12 different depending on what type of trial it is. This number would change, but usually they start out with looking at 35, and they think they fill the seats, all 12, and then they have over here all the other people sit here, and then I think there's like either 3 more or a whole nother row more of people that they choose from, and then they ask them questions. So they ask all these people questions, even in this row. And then depending if people get taken out, then they'll pick from the rest of the 35 to fill in these spots. And then eventually, once they have all these done, they'll say, the 2 lawyers will say, okay, we'll go through here and I want to eliminate this person, this person. This person will go like, okay, I want to eliminate this person. And then until they get down to their 12 or they get down to their 9, sometimes it's 9, sometimes 6, I think maybe 6, I don't know. But 12 is normally the one that we think about with criminal suits. I don't know what the others are. But yeah, so that's kind of how it goes. So does the order matter? Does it matter if you're the first juror or the last juror? No, it just, as long as you're a juror, right? So this is a combination, okay? So think about what is your N? How many people are you choosing from? How many you're actually selecting? And it's going to be a combination, okay? So that's it for this one. I got one more question after this.